Hey, if you're trying to start software in Tinfoil but it won't launch, yeah, that can be super annoying. Don't worry though, in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it so you can get back to using your apps smoothly. First, make sure the software is installed correctly. If files are missing or corrupted, Tinfoil won't be able to launch it. If you see a missing file warning, reinstall the software or verify the installation through Tinfoil. Next, check that your Tinfoil launcher is up to date. Older versions may have bugs preventing software from starting. Click Check for updates and install the latest version. Then restart Tinfoil and try launching the software again. Sometimes Tinfoil stores temporary files that can interfere with launching software. Clear the cache, restart the launcher, and try opening the software again. This simple step fixes a lot of issues. Make sure Tinfoil and the software have the necessary permissions. On consoles or computers, insufficient access can prevent apps from starting. Ensure the launcher can read, write, and execute files as needed. If it still won't start, uninstall the software completely and reinstall it fresh through Tinfoil. This often resolves corruption or configuration issues that prevent launching. So yeah, checking installation, updating Tinfoil, clearing cache, verifying permissions, and reinstalling usually fixes the problem. After these steps, your software should start without any issues, and you're back in action.